Hello students, you are welcome in permutations and combinations part 5. Now the question 7 we want to discuss today. How many ways can one select a cricket team of 11 players from 17 total players available in which only 5 can bowl, and if each team includes exactly 4 bowlers? Now the solution, if you write details, there are total players available 17, bowlers are 5, then non bowlers 17 minus 5 12. Now a team of 11 players must include 4 bowlers and 7 non bowlers. Now 4 bowlers out of 5 and 7 non bowlers out of 12. So it means 4 out of 5 can be selected using combination in 5C4 ways, and 7 out of 12 can be selected using combination in 12C7 ways. So we have to multiply because there is AND between these two. So now you can simplify, and after simplification, so for simplification we will use the formula NCR, and it is n factorial means 5 factorial, it is 5C4 divided by 5 minus 4 factorial into 4 factorial, and so in this way 12C7, and after solution it comes to 3960 required number of ways. I hope you can complete the solution. Now it is question number 9. In how many ways a student can choose 5 subjects if 9 subjects are available and 2 specific subjects are compulsory? So there are total subjects 9. Student has to choose 5. Compulsory subjects are 2. It means remaining to complete 5 student has to select 3, and from the remaining available 9 minus 2, because out of 9 2 are compulsory, so non-compulsory subjects will be 9 minus 2 7, and out of the student has to select 5, so out of 5 2 compulsory, so remaining has to select 3. So it means the student will select any 3 subjects from available 7, and 3 should be selected from 7, so 3 out of 7, and in using combinations it is 7C3, and when you solve it you will find out it is 3573. Example 22 on page 155 is very important question of NCERT. Find the number of words with or without meaning which can be formed using all letters of the word again. If these words are arranged as in dictionary, what will be the 50th word? So because in dictionary the words are arranged in alphabetical order, so first the word starting from A will be there, then after A second word will be A, then after that second word will be B, and in this way. So you have to arrange the words as arranged in dictionary. So now first of all find out the total words with or without meaning. You write detail, total letters are 5. Out of 5 A appears 2 times, so it is the case of repeated permutations. To form the word, these letters should be arranged in a line, so it is permutation and repeated permutation. So total words formed will be 5 factorial upon 2 factorial, and after solution it comes to be 60. So there are 60 possible words with or without meaning can be formed using this letters of again. Now for the second part, what will be 50th word? Now number of words starting with A. So if you arrange these words in alphabetically, so first we will have the word, it is A, then we have G, then I, and then N. These are arranged in alphabetical order now, and first we will write the word starting with A. It means the first position that is fixed, there should be A at the first place, but remaining these letters, these can be arranged, and these 4 letters G, A and I, G, A, I and N, so these 4 letters should be arranged in a line in 4P5, 4P4 or 4 factorial ways. So using permutation it is 4P4, and after simplification it will be 24. So 24 words will be the words starting with A, then number of word starting with the next alphabet coming, that is G. So words starting with G, it means the first position is fixed for G. Remaining 4 positions that will be arranged using these letters A, I, N. It means total letters are 4, and out of 4, 2, that is A is appearing 2 times. So it is case of repeated permutations. Total 4, A is 2 times. So arrangements are 4 factorial upon 2 factorial, and after solution it will be 12. Similarly, number of words starting with next alphabet, that is I, starting with I, it means the first position will be fixed with I now. Remaining 4 letters, that is A, G and N, 4 letters in which A is appearing 2 times, can be arranged in 4 factorial upon 2 factorial, that is 12. If you add them, total are 48. And after I, you will start writing the words starting from N. First position is fixed by N. Then after N, the alphabet which comes first, that is A will be written. Then out of I and G, G is first, appears in alphabetically order, G comes first and then I. So we will write down G and I. This is 49th word. Then the 50th word, you will change these 2 positions only. It means we will arrange in place of G, write down I and then G. So this is will 50th word. So 50th word will be NAAIG. I hope it is clear. So now these are miscellaneous exercise. So this is example which we have discussed earlier. That was example before miscellaneous exercise, very important, and you have to do all examples also. Now miscellaneous exercise, it is question number 1 of miscellaneous exercise chapter 7. How many words with or without meaning, each of 2 vowels and 3 consonants, can be formed from the letters of the word daughter? It means there are total words, these are more than 5, but we have to form the word using 2 vowels and 3 consonants. So it means first of all write down separately vowels used in this word. Vowels are A, U and E. There are 3 vowels. The consonants are D, G, H, T, R. There are 5. And first we will select 2 vowels out of 3, because we want to form the words using 2 vowels and 3 consonants. So first we will select the words and then we will arrange it. So this question will have 2 parts, selection and arrangement also. So both combination and permutations will be used. Now 2 vowels should be selected from 3 in 3C 2 ways, and 3 consonants out of 5 can be selected in 5C 3 ways. So if you multiply, you will find 30 ways. So there are 30 ways of selecting 2 vowels and 3 consonants. Now we have selected 5 letters, 2 vowels and 3 consonants, and to form a word, so using 5, from total 5 words available, we have selected 5. So the words formed are 5P5. To form the word, we have to arrange letters in alphabetically order. In a line, we have to arrange in a line, and that is arrangements. of our arrangement we use permutation. So total available words 5 we have selected, and we want to use them all. So 5P5, it is 5 factorial, and now we have to multiply these 2. The selection, this is first and second. So required number of words, these are multiplied these 2, so 30 multiplied by 5 factorial, and that is 3600. I hope it is clear. It's very important question. Now move on to the question number 3. A committee of 7 has to be formed from 9 boys and 4 girls. In how many ways this can be done? If there are this question has 3 parts. There are exactly 3 girls, there are at least 3 girls, there are at most 3 girls. So committee of 7 out of 9 boys and 4 girls. Now the solution, first part. In committee of 7, there should be exactly 3 girls. It means the remaining members can be boys. So then there are 3 girls and 4 boys, because exactly 3 girls should be there. So remaining members should be known girls, that is boys. So 3 girls out of 4 available with us, and 4 boys out of 9 can be selected in 4C3 and 9C4. So we have to multiply because and is there. So if after simplification, these are 504 number of ways. Second part, at least 3 girls. At least means minimum there should be 3 girls. We can have maximum girls also. Maximum available girls are 4. So there will be 2 cases. Case 1, if 3 girls have been selected, then there must be 4 boys, 3 girls and 4 boys, 1 selection. Case 2, or either we can use this method or this method. It means either we can use we can select the members using this or this. So second, they can be 4 girls, because we are given at least 3 girls. So number of girls can be 4. Then total members are 7, so remaining members 3 should be boys. So 4 girls and 3 boys. Now you use combination, 3 girls out of 4 in 4C3 and multiply 4 boys out of 9, 9C4, multiply them, it is 504. Second case, 4 girls out of 4, it is 4C4, and so multiply 3 boys out of 9, 9C3. After simplification, it is 84. Because there are 2 cases, we can use any one of these 2 cases, or is there. So that's why required number of ways will be, we have to add these 2 ways. So 504 plus 84, it will be 588. I hope it is clear. So again, it is third part. At most 3 girls. Now at most means maximum 3 girls are possible. Minimum can be 2, can be 1, or can be no girl, that is 0 girl. So there are 4 cases now. Case 1, if you select 0 girl and 7 boys. Case 2, if you select 1 girl and 6 boys. Case 3, we can select 2 girls and 5 boys. Case 4, when 3 girls and 4 boys. So we can select the committee in any one of these 4 methods. So that's why it is or between these big cases. So for the first case now, 0 girl out of 4, 4C0 multiplied by 9C7. After solution, it is 36. 1 girl out of 4, 4C1, and so that's why we are multiplying 9C6. Similarly, 2 girls and 5 boys, so 4C2 multiplied by 9C5. Similarly, 3 girls out of 4 and 4 boys out of 9, so 4C3 into 9C4. And we have to add all these parts because there is or between these cases. So total number of ways are, after addition, 1632. I hope it is clear. You try to solve the remaining questions which are left unsolved up to this question. Thank you.